Hey guys, I'm back. In the last previous videos, I made slime, but I deleted that video, so I just made it. You see? I could do a swirl. And guys, remember, this is from my friend Ari in 3rd grade. She's like 9 or 8 years old because I'm 8. Tell me in the comments down below. And I hope you guys comment on my videos, guys. None of you guys commented. And you guys need to see my videos. So, and guys, now I'm gonna put the color. Oh my god. Yo, oh my god, oh my Carly. Carly. Espinosa. Guys, this is breakable. I'm gonna put this back in. I'm gonna put these. Okay, not hot. Okay, it's not hot. Which traps the door. Now I'm gonna put these back, and I'm gonna pause the video again. And bye, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now I'm gonna do the color. Guys, if you know everything about the slime, you can poke it. You can make a bubble. You can poke it and fold it. You can point it and you could point it, stretch it, wiggle it, point it. Get it? And also jump rope it. So I'm gonna put that back. And look what just happened. Oh my god. Look. That just happened on my floor. I'm gonna clean that up, guys. Guys, I'll be right back. If you guys can hear me, comment down below. I'm coming. Guys, if you heard what I said comment down below if you guys heard me. My skin is so blurred. Okay, good. Guys, I'm putting the glass out my leg. Oh. Guys, I'm coming. Guys, someone learned this. So they put it straight, right? They use this, like, and then push it. They use their hand fingerprint. Not like these, like, they use that. What is that? Like, anyways. And guys, on Christmas, I'm gonna make, wait, I'm gonna ask my mom something. Mommy, are you gonna work on Christmas? Okay. So, guys, she said that she's not gonna work on Christmas Day because it's gonna be Christmas. And guys, I'm gonna be, when I wake up, I'm gonna go on my mom's phone and make a video. I'm gonna say, Hey guys, what's up? I just woke up. My mom is sleeping. And then today's Christmas morning. So Merry Christmas. Yeah, but guys, I might not remember what I said, so I'm just gonna say other things. Anyway, guys, Christmas is next Monday, right, Mommy? Next Monday? Yep, guys, it's on next Monday. And yeah, guys, I'm putting it. It looks like a orange kind. I really need to go to the bathroom, but I really want to go. Guys, look at this. This is actually this color, but it makes an orange color. Yeah. Now it's turning pinkish. And guys, you know what? I'm gonna make another slime for Santa. Yay! How exciting! And it's gonna be. I'm gonna give 2. So. Red is going to be for Santa because Santa wears red. And Miss Claus is going to be green. And guys, look, if you want to add more, don't just make more. Just put some glue and then mix it up. And then it gets more. But if you want to make it sticky, put hand sanitizer or glue because that makes it sticky. And stretchy, and get more. And guys, you need to see this cut. Look at this cut. Oh my god. Focus. Focus. You see guys right there? So I'm putting my finger on the bottom of it. There. That's my cut, but sorry guys, you can't see because the camera's getting blurry and I put things close. You see guys right there. What? Oh, good. Oh my god, I got so confused because you see guys. Whoa, guys, this is so cool. Because you know what? Look, the color is actually orange. But look, it's this color, right? But it looks like orange, and then when you put on slime, it turns pinkish. You see that, guys? It's so cool. And guys, look, if you just don't want to go like that, I got an idea. Just color on something that you put your slime on. And then spread your slime and then make it cover it. And then start playing with it. And then when you pick it up, the magic disappears. Wow, you see guys, it's right there. So guys, I'm going to show you, but I don't have something to hold my phone. I mean my mom's phone. So I'm just going to use myself. This is going to be so hard, guys. Ew. Just take some baking soda. Plop it. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna put the slime on it. So now I'm just gonna wrap it as a ball, guys, and then I'm gonna drop it. You see, guys? There, make it. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna show you the disappearance. Ta-da! You see, guys, it's right there. And it just disappeared. You just see a little bit of that. And you see, that's a life hack to show you not to not to go like that. Not to go like that, but just color, put it, and then disappear this, and then it goes on the slime. Really easy. Damn, that was a fail, guys. Ooh. You're so freaking cute. I think I should be used to you. Got me like, And guys, if you're new, welcome. If you're not new, then hello. If you're not new, I mean, if you're new, hello. If you're not new, welcome. And make sure you watch my videos, because it's so amazing. And guys, one of my videos are a little bit private, but the private sometimes ends. You're so freaking cute. I think I could get used to you, baby. Like, you look freaking cute. I think I should get used to you. Got me like, Oh my god, it's sticking. It's sticking. Oh my god. No. Guys, someone's coming. Hi, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is wrong with it? Come here like, I think I could get used to you. Baby, like, and guys, it's dropping. Boom. I think I could get used to you. Oh, baby, like, Guys, do you want to add me more? Or that's good? I think this is good. So, guys, see you next time on Christmas Eve. And guys, I'm gonna end you with something very cute. Hey, Christmas bow! Okay, I'm gonna put this in here. And I'm done. There you go. And I'm gonna see the color. That's the color. See this. I think I can get used to you. Baby, like, Bye, guys.